Laminated glass has proven to be an excellent barrier to noise, significantly better than standard annealed glass of equal thickness. While natural light plays an important role in architectural design, too much sunlight can also mean too much heat. Tinted laminated glass can reduce heat gain from sunlight to lower air conditioning costs. Plus, it can also control glare. If you've noticed your furnishings or pictures starting to deteriorate and fade, this can be significantly reduced by eliminating UV, as infrared heat and visible light will contribute to fading. This can easily be fixed by adding UV-absorbing additives in the interlayer of your laminated glass, which screens out a lot of these damaging rays. Laminated glass consists of 2 or more sheets of glass bonded together with a vinyl interlayer. The result is a durable glazing material meeting Grade A safety standards. Unlike toughened glass, if a laminated pane is broken, it will remain in place and in the frame. Toughened glass is 4 to 5 times stronger than standard annealed glass and should be used wherever a strong resistance to breakage is needed. In the unlikely event toughened glass does break, it simply breaks into small granules. Needless to say, if you're after the very best defense against breakage, toughened laminate glass is the way to go.